Hey there, and welcome to this step-by-step Snapchat tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your story privacy on Snapchat using an Android phone. You'll learn how to block specific friends from seeing your story, all within the app's settings. Let's make your stories more private. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the option called View My Story. Tap on it. Select Custom from the available privacy options. You'll see a list of your Snapchat friends. Choose the friends you want to prevent from seeing your story by tapping their names. A check mark will appear next to the selected names. Then, click on Block at bottom. That's it. You've now successfully blocked selected friends from viewing your Snapchat stories. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and explore our channel for more tips.